Can you really start C Purlin production with a low budget? C Purlins are strong, lightweight, and easy to install. They provide good load support while keeping the steel structure light and cost-efficient. They are widely used in steel structure buildings, warehouses, and workshops, roofing and wall support systems. They are easy to bolt or screw onto steel frames, which helps save installation time and labor cost. That's why many factories choose C Purlin production as their first step. Many small factories want to produce C Purlins, but high machine cost stops them from starting. This is an economic C Purlin roll forming machine, made for manufacturers with limited budget, who only need some common C Purlin sizes. This machine is already installed and running in Peru, working for real construction projects. We provide on-site installation and 24/7 service support. If you want to start C Purlin production with a low budget, contact us for more details.